ٹیچر میرے کوپریٹو گل سنی مسئلے حل کری گنتی بھی چنگی ایڈمن بہت چنگا سب بچوں کی گل سنی مسئلے حل کری
Why you got admission in Biochem?
میرے ہائی ہر پاسے نا داخلہ ملی جسی میرے ہائی میں سچ کی لفٹ چاہیے میں مرینا کے ٹیبل سے ٹکرائی میں نے دسیا ڈی پی ڈی بھی چنگی ایم ایل ٹی بھی چنگی ایچ این ٹی بھی چنگی بایو کیمپ بہت چنگی میں داخلہ لئی
What do you say about the study of Biochem?
Study bambun very chunky ma'am sober iron presentation lay ma'am fasal iron assignment very sir fasal iron question dry मैं पागल होई फिर गुरकी इधर के तो फाइनल बुकल मिटाई
How do you find people behaving in him?
people चंगे very cooperative एक इधर आए शेख एक इधर आए शेख पिछो आए शेख मैं पीछे बैठी ना बंदा ना बंदे दी रात
What do you say about LIM cafeteria?
तो बात समोसा फी मिर्चा मेरा खाए रोला पाए पानी
ये सब आप इंटरव्यू दे रहे हैं. What do you see the future of LIM?
मैं इतने आई से भी तरक्की करी
ये सब आपके कहने का मतलब है आप इधर आए तो LIM ने तरक्की की?
ना लिम तरक्की कर रही हूँ ऐसे तो मैं इतने आई
ये सब आप LIM के न्यू स्टूडेंट के लिए कुछ करके तो दिखाएं फिर.
लिम के न्यू स्टूडेंट के लिए आज आप म्यूजिक इम्ताज बीबी नो म्यूजिक
اب باری ہے ایچ این ڈی ڈپارٹمنٹ کی. تو ایچ این ڈی ڈپارٹمنٹ کو انٹروڈیوس کرنے آ رہی ہیں نمرہ سعید. سو آئی ووڈ لائک ٹو کال مس نمرہ سعید فرام ایچ این ڈی فورتھ سیمسٹر. سو پلیز کم آن دا اسٹیج اینڈ انٹروڈیوس یور ڈپارٹمنٹ.
Myself Nimra Said from HND Department Semester 4 at LIMS. With all the facilities and fulfilling all the requirements of a degree, LIMS College offering BS Human Nutrition and Dietetics. I congratulate my all juniors to choosing this magnificent platform for making their future bright. Teacher can change lives. Dear juniors, with the mercy of Allah Almighty, we have the huge list of well-qualified, very talented, skillful, very cooperative, very inspiring, and very charming personalities of faculty member, and our department is headed by Madam Rimsha Anwar. Hippocrates said that our food should be our medicine and our medicine should be our food. Listen it again. Our food should be our medicine and our medicine should be our food. So by playing the food, you will be able to play a role in the field of community nutrition, clinical nutrition, food sciences, public health nutrition, health and wellness coaching, and yes, being a dietitian, you will be able to treat every disease by planning your food. On the behalf of all your seniors of HND department, I warmly welcome my all juniors. Your seniors are always available for you for any kind of help about your studies. At the end, remember that don't limit your challenges. Challenge your limits. Thank you.
I would like to invite Shayan Sodagar from Zoology 4th semester. Please put your hands together for Shayan Sodagar.
My name is Shayan Sodagar and I welcome all new zoologists on the behalf of the Zoology department. Congratulations on your decision to pursue a higher education here at LIMS College, Faisalabad, which is one of the most prestigious institutes of Faisalabad. Today I am here to tell you about my department, which is zoology. There are numerous career opportunities in the public and private sectors for candidates completing their BS, MS, and PhD in zoology. After obtaining the BS degree in zoology, the graduates will be able to get jobs in wide range of professions, including ecologists, veterinarians, fisheries department, educational department, integrated pest management, zoo curator, forestry, forensic experts, poultry, wildlife department, entomologist in government and health department, and many more. My personal favorite is wildlife department because I want to explore the world and the nature. Now I would like to introduce you to our dedicated faculty members headed by Madam Usba Hayat. I would like to say a few things about Madam Usba Hayat, which is our HOD. She is a very humble personality and she is always an encouraging personality for all the students. She never refuses you if you ask for any kind of help at any time. And our other members of the faculty are also very dedicated. They teach with love and affection. They never compromise in the educational affairs and guide us with love and affection in all the best and possible ways. All of them have a very unique style of teaching, which is very fascinating. I again welcome to all my dear juniors on the behalf of the zoology department. Again, I would like to say that your future is very bright and this is a new start. Thank you and God bless you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I warmly welcome to all my dear juniors at LIMS College. I hope you are all doing great. I am Amna Yusuf, student of BS Chemistry at LIMS College. It is a moment of great privilege and honor for me to extend a hearty welcome to all of you at LIMS. In LIMS, we have qualified and trained staff which have educational and practical field experience and guide us time to time where we need it. Next slide, please. Faculty members are very hardworking and they never compromise on study matters. Our teachers always deliver quality education without any discrimination. Mr. Mamoon Rashid is the head of Department of Chemistry. He is also an academic coordinator at LIMS College. Our college focuses on outcome-based education to achieve student goals. Also have well-equipped laboratory for the execution of practical knowledge. In the whole degree tenure, our teachers provide us healthy environment by team building and by enhancing communication skills. BS Chemistry opens so many doors of employment for candidates completing their BS, MS and PhD in BS Chemistry. Chemistry is one of the most important fields in Pakistan because of diverse range in practical application. In pharmaceutical industries, food industries as a forensic analyst, environmental chemistry, textile industry, medical research institute, also educational sector are few of the fields that you can join after completion of your degree. In the end, I again welcome to all my dear juniors on behalf of Chemistry Department. Thank you and God bless you.
आपके काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट जो हैं वो मेरे आपके काफ़ी सारे टीचर्स मेरे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, तो इस लिहाज से एक और भी मेरा ताल्लुक़ है लिम्स के साथ। आपके ऑनरेबल डायरेक्टर साहब बताएंगे आपको کہ اس کی جو جب پہلی اینٹیں لگائی جا رہی تھیں تو تب بھی اللہ تعالیٰ نے مجھے موقع دیا کہ اس میں کنٹریبیوٹ کروں. 2010 میں آلموسٹ یہی حال تھا جہاں پہ ہم نے میڈیکل لیبارٹری پروفیشن کے لیے پاکستان کی پہلی کانفرنس جو ہے وہ آرگنائز کی تھی, جس میں تقریباً 750 پروفیشنلز نے اس وقت 2010 میں پارٹیسپیٹ کیا تھا. ہمارا مقصد یہی تھا کہ میڈیکل لیب پروفیشن کو جو ہے ایز اے ڈسپلن, ایز اے پروفیشن, اس کو جو ہے اس کی پریسٹیج کو تھوڑا اوپر لے کے آئیں, اس کو جو ہے وہ اس کی آئیڈینٹی کو جو ہے وہ ہم انہائڈ کریں کہ یہ جو ہے وہ گریجویٹس ہیں میڈیکل لیبارٹری کے اندر, ان کی 4 ایئر ڈگری جو ہے وہ کسی بھی طرح سے باقی پروفیشن سے کم نہیں ہے. تو الائیڈ ہیلتھ سائنسز آر دا بیک بون آف آل ہیلتھ کیئر سسٹمز, اس میں کوئی شک نہیں ہے. تو آپ لوگوں کو بہت بہترین, بہت زبردست لیڈرشپ ملی ہے, اور میں دعا گو ہوں کہ اللہ تعالیٰ ڈاکٹر صاحب کو صحت دے اور مزید آپ لوگوں کے لیے بہترین فیوچر کو جو ہے آپ لوگوں کے لیے سجانے میں اللہ تعالیٰ ان کی مدد کرے. ٹھیک ہے, آپ لوگوں کو میری طرف سے جو نئے جوائن کرنے والے ہیں ان لوگوں کو لیمس کو فارملی ویلکم, اور بہت ساری دعائیں جو کہ پاس آؤٹ ہو رہے ہیں تاکہ اللہ تعالیٰ ان کو فیوچر کے اندر بہترین جو ہے وہ مقام جو ہے وہ ان کو عطا کرے اور بہترین کامیابیوں کے ساتھ پروفیشنل جو ہے وہ اپنے آپ کو منوائیں. بہت شکریہ.
السلام علیکم. ہیلو جی, السلام علیکم. Guys, my name is Dr. Mujibullah. I'm your principal here in LIMS College. And آپ لوگ مجھے بہت تھوڑا تھوڑا دیکھیں گے, مگر جب بھی دیکھیں گے, چونکہ میں بہت موٹا آدمی ہوں, تو پورے اچھے طریقے سے تعارف ہو جائے گا آپ کا اور میرا. Anyways, first of all, I need to thank Dr. Imtiaz Saab to be here on this occasion. He is in charge of Allied Health Sciences, GC University. As you people know, we are an affiliated institute of GC University. So welcome, sir, over here. Dr. Imtiaz Sahab has been an important part of this institute from the day one. And I remember 2015 when he just motivated me to start an institute with the medical sciences. So that was the beginning of LIMS College. It's an honor, it's a great pleasure, and thanks to Almighty Allah that today our first batch of BS programs is going to be passing out from LIMS College. ایک بہت زیادہ فخر کی بات انسٹیٹیوٹ کے لیے بھی, میرے لیے بھی, فیکلٹی ممبرز کے لیے بھی, اور تمام سٹوڈنٹس کے لیے بھی. جس وقت یہ کالج شروع کیا اس وقت لوگوں کا اتنا الائیڈ ہیلتھ سائنسز میں ایڈمیشن لینے کا رجحان نہیں تھا, بہت کم لوگ اس میں آتے تھے. تو میرا جو پہلا میڈیکل لیبارٹری ٹیکنالوجی بی ایس پروگرام کے ایڈمیشن تھے وہ صرف 4 تھے, اور آج میرا سب سے بڑا ڈپارٹمنٹ لمس کالج میں میڈیکل لیبارٹری ٹیکنالوجی ہے. آج ان بچوں کو ہم آج آپ نئے آنے والوں کی اورینٹیشن ہے, اور جو آج پاس آؤٹ ہوں گے ان کی یہ کنووکیشن ہے. آج ہم انہیں گڈ بائی کہیں گے, ان کو زندگی میں بہت ساری نئی کامیابیوں کے لیے دعا گو رہیں گے. تو اس سلسلے میں ریکویسٹ کرتا ہوں میڈم عصبہ سے کہ وہ اسٹیج پر آئیں اور ان بچوں کو اناؤنس کریں.
Let's start another phase of this ceremony, which is degree delivering to our very first ever batch of medical laboratory technology. My dear students, this is going to be a wonderful experience for you people, and I'm sure this will bring a twinkle in your eyes and a smile on your face whenever you will revisit your memorable pictures on social media or even on your phone. So let's begin this beautiful journey of lifetime experience of honoring you people on this momentous occasion. I welcome you all on this carnival of fulfilled dreams, to the festival of optimism and expectations and celebration of excellence in medical education. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a moment of great pride for all of us, and I would like to congratulate all the respected faculty members, especially Dr. Mujibullah, on passing out of our very first batch of medical laboratory technology. I am going to call the students of BS Medical Laboratory Technology to please come on the stage one by one and receive their degrees. First of all, Zille Huma Munir. Please welcome on the stage Zille Huma Munir. Zille Huma, being a Limsian, is always there to make us proud. Zille Huma is a very obedient student of LIMS. Congratulations, Zille Huma. Now, I would like to call Muhammad Arif. Muhammad Arif. Congratulations, Muhammad Arif. Muhammad Zaryab Ahmed, the most cooperating, the most punctual, and the most diligent student of the BS Medical Laboratory Technology 8th semester. Congratulations, Zaryab. And the last one is Muhammad Mehboob. Muhammad Mehboob is very hardworking student and is always involved in extracurricular activities as well. Congratulations, Mehboob. We, the whole team of LIMS, we are proud of our students and we wish all the best in their futures. Thank you so much.
For Achiever Award, I would like to invite, first of all, Head of Department of Biochemistry, our Honorable and gorgeous Ma'am Sanobar Gul. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Dr. Sanobar Gul.
Dr. Amna? Dr. Amna from DPD. ऐसे क्या? तू ही बोल दे यार. बोल बोल. Please बोल.
Ladies and gentlemen, humbly now I would like to invite from the Department of Physiotherapy, Head of Department of Physiotherapy, Dr. Amna Iram. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Dr. Amna Iram. Now I would like to invite Head of Chemistry Department, Sir Mamoon Rashid. Please put your hands together for him. Now I would like to invite Ms. Musbah Hayat Rana, Head of Department of Geology. Now I would like to invite Head of Department of Medical Lab Technology. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Sir Mudassar.
सर अभी रहते हैं 2 हेड रहते हैं डॉक्टर सदफ और डॉक्टर आफताब डॉक्टर आफताब डॉक्टर सदफ
HMD का कौन है?
HMD का मुझे नहीं है
रिमशा को बुला लो.
Now I would like to invite Head of Department of Human Nutrition and Dietetics. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Dr. Rimsha. Now I would like to invite our academic coordinator from the Department of Biochemistry. Please put your hands together for Dr. Sadaf. Ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to invite our gorgeous Dr. Aftab from the Department of Pharmacology.
बस अब ये तुमने इनको 4 को करना है.
इकट्ठे बुला लेंगे
नहीं वन पे.
Now I would like to invite our lecturer, Ma'am Amrina. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together.
अब मैं इसमें
From administration.
जी मैं भी
Faiza from administration. Bilal from administration. Asmi.
ओके
Now from administration of LIMS, first I would like to invite Ma'am Asma. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Ma'am Asma. Now I would like to invite Ma'am Faiza. Please put your hands together. administration of LIMS. Last but not the least, I would like to invite Mohammad Bilal from the administration of LIMS. Please, a big round of applause for Mohammad Bilal.
On this occasion, I just want to announce two special performance awards for two very special people. Those now are not working right now in LIMS College, but their contribution has been immense for this institute. And luckily one of them is present, our previous campus manager, Mr. Umar Randhawa. I would like to invite him on the stage and receive the shield from Dr. Imtiaz. Thank you, Mr. Umar. It has been a great time working together for the LIMS. You're welcome. Secondly, Dr. Abdullah from Dr. Physiotherapy Department. Today he is not present, but on his behalf, I would request Madam Farwa to come and receive the award on behalf of Dr. Abdullah. He has been a very important member of the team from the day one, and I really want to thank him and Sir Umar for their contribution for this college. So having the opportunity to talk to you people today is 9th November. और 9th नवंबर की क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है किसी को पता है? इस्लामा इकबाल डे। मे बी गवर्नमेंट ने छुट्टी तो बंद कर दी है 9 नवंबर की, मगर he was a great philosopher, he was a great poet, he was the inspiration that today Pakistan is there, and we should all be thankful to Allama Iqbal for all the poetry, for all the vision, for all the dreams he has instilled in our nation, and we are really thankful to Allama Iqbal. Just talking about LIMS College, I mean, all the new students are most welcome here. We will try our maximum to teach you people, lecture you, but this is you people who are going to learn and prepare yourself for the practical life which is ahead of you. Today, I'm really thankful to many people, many students, many members of the faculty, our chief guest, head of the departments, administration. I'm really thankful for a whole year and working for the LIMS, and above everything, to make this event successful. I would like to thank Dr. Imtiaz to find the time and grace the occasion of this function. Just to conclude all this, one announcement which I need to make today is that from biochemistry department, from the day one of your teacher has been actively participating in the academic and administrative affairs of this college. and I'm proud of her, and today I just want to announce her that Dr. Sunoba Gul is going to be promoted as Vice Principal of LIMS College.